Welcome to the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage, where rude mechanicals do magic. Hello, I'm Bronze Age, Director of the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage. And today we're going to talk about a problem that pops up fairly often when rewiring mid-century lamps. Now, this is a fairly popular design of decorator lamps all throughout the second half of the 20th century. Stifel and all the other high-end lamp manufacturers had pieces like this in their catalogs. And of course, that meant that all the department stores, Sears, J.C. Penney's, Montgomery Ward's, places like that, also had this style of lamp for sale. It was very popular, and a lot of them came with a peculiar design feature, which you can see right here. Comparing it with another socket, you can see the neck is much bigger. And that's because the standard pipe that we find in most lamps is called 1/8 inch iron pipe. Don't worry about it. There's nothing about 1/8 on here. But on this lamp, we've got 1/4 inch iron pipe, which leaves us with 1/4 inch threads on our socket. And a small problem to solve. Now, the obvious solution is just simply go get a socket that matches this one. They're available. They're a little more expensive. You're not going to find them in your regular hardware store parts bin. They can be ordered online. I've never seen the need to really keep them in stock here in the lab because there's a quick and easy solution that works out really well. One solution to this problem is using one of these two brass adapters. This one here has the 1/4 inch threads on the bottom and 1/8 inch threads on the top. It goes on like this, and then the socket screws onto it like this. Quick and easy. The problem with this one is that this hole through the middle is fairly small, and our customer has requested an SP2 cord. Now, SPT2 is slightly larger than SPT1, so that cuts out this one in favor of this adapter, which has female threads on both the top and the bottom. And the SP1 goes through it easily. I always use the blue thread sealer, sometimes called Loctite or thread lock, because there's no way to really tighten this mechanically, twisting it to get it tight enough where it's not going to come loose. That's just not the nature of lamps. Now, one of the other complications of using this style over this style is you've got to have a short little pipe nipple here, which goes in and a little more thread lock. Now, one thing to consider when you're using this kind of adapter, it does raise the height of the socket. And if you have a one-way socket, which is click on, click off, that's all there is to it, probably won't be any problem because the one-way bulbs are a little smaller than the three-way bulbs, and you may end up having to install a taller harp, which could take away all the advantages of using the cheaper regular 1/8 inch pipe socket. Otherwise, this is a good way around a common problem. It fixes it securely and safely. So again, this is Bronze Age for the Secret Underground Laboratory Recovery and Salvage. Thank you for watching this short video. Appreciate it very much if you would like to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video.